Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to hang Christmas lights on your fascia. When it comes to hanging lights on the fascia, there's a lot of choices, but we have these really interesting clips that can hang on the bottom of the front of the fascia. These clips are almost like a little plastic spring-loaded jaw that you slide up into place, and it grips the fascia and allows you then to hang the lights from it. Now, it's a good idea to place these every 2 feet or so because the lights can get heavy, and you want to take the lights up with you. So as you're putting in the clips, you're actually feeding the wire through the clip as well. That keeps you from going up and down the ladder constantly. Be mindful of where you want to plug the lights in and start them on the male end accordingly so that you can run the extension cord so that you're all set to plug them in to get that holiday spirit you're looking for. If you need more information, just go to acehardware.com and please follow us on our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.